Gonna be searching a world route. So this is gonna be a 10-minute long video. Let's go.
A world without maps.
Captain, you take this area. Lieutenant, you take this one. And the rest of you, cover all of this area. Now, paint. No one crossed the line, huh?
Who's crossing the line? Nearest window.
Let's see.
Nearest window.
Point to where Italy is.
Over there.
Close, but no. You get an F.
Let's go get Clinton.
Scientists announce that a meteorite will hit somewhere on
Bro,
Earth.
what if it hits on them? Yeah. What if it hits on them? Yeah, bro, yeah.
In other news, after his international tour, the president of Switzerland couldn't figure out how to get back to his country, and now he is president of Jamaica.
Bro, what the heck? What the heck is Jamaica?
On my back, I have a tattoo of the exact place to find the treasure. The X marks the spot.
Oh no.
Babe, do you know how to get there?
No, but I brought my GPS.
GPS?
Huh?
Yeah, GPS.
Grandpa.
Grandpa Savvy. This was all countryside before. Grandpa, how do you get to the stadium? Turn where the Johnsons used to live. On this corner, they mugged me in '78.
The end.
Next.
A world without sound.
So this is gonna be a boring video. So let me just skip it. I don't even